How to fix crawl currently not indexed issue in Google Search Console. I'm making an updated video because I'm still getting comments by viewers saying, you know what, the videos that I've got so far is not helping them. Because I've tried to go around it. Yeah, sure, it may be confusing to understand certain things when it comes to Google Search Console, especially crawl currently not indexed issue. So I'm going to simplify this for you. When you're using Google Search Console or want any results coming from Google, it's all about Google guidelines. And crawl currently not indexed issue, the help section won't tell you much about it, saying the page was crawled by Google but not indexed. It may or may not be indexed in the future. No need to resubmit this URL for crawling. That means if anyone suggests to you to submit the URLs after you inspect it, because some videos tell you to do that, request indexing. Google's not going to index that because it's telling you specifically the page was crawled by Google search engine and it's not indexed. Now, why is that? Well, here's the fact. Most people, they just go online. They create a website, read some things, they put out content, which is great. But the way Google looks at a website is different. Now, as I've said, Google and Google Search Console is all about Google guidelines. Therefore, crawl currently not indexed issue at its core means something that your website has, as in the way your website is on internet, the way Google sees it, it doesn't adhere to Google guidelines. Now, Google has many guidelines. It's not just, thin content. You can have thin content, thick content. That's not going to make any difference to a degree when we want to fix crawl currently not indexed issue. Google has technical guidelines, spam policies, create helpful content guidelines, and many others. So the fact that Google Search Console help section doesn't tell you exactly what the problem is means that something is, like something on a website, is not adhering to one of these guidelines. How do you fix it? Well, you got to understand the guidelines and make sure that your website adheres to it. That includes technical requirements. Does the page work correctly? Is it indexable content? Does the URLs work correctly? Is the robots.txt blocking Google? Does the server respond in a correct manner, as in HTTP 200 request? Have you done anything that some so-called SEO experts suggest to you, particularly for useless backlinks? Or did you get some expired domain and get some backlinks? Has your content ever been hacked? Do you have text that's too small? Or do you internal link thinking it's going to help when it's against Google guidelines? That means you can anytime, for anything that you have on your website, including images, including videos, including text, including heading, HTML, all that stuff. Link guidelines, for example, for Google. There, you can look at the URL structure. Is it the way that Google wants it? SEO link best practices, that includes internal linking. Make sense? So, creating these videos takes time and energy and effort. And when you end up getting comments because some people are not finding certain videos not useful, it's because the answer to it is actually within that video. If it doesn't suit you, well then, what you can do is read through the Google guidelines, all of it, and one way or another understand that your website, if it's crawled but currently not indexed by Google means it's not adhering to the technical guidelines, spam policies, and the other updates and guidelines that Google has. You can search Webmaster Guidelines, Google, as an example, and there. These are the guidelines that you need to understand and adhere to. That's what crawl, currently not indexed, means. Google has seen it, it can crawl it, it can access it, but it's not willing to index it. And it doesn't matter what tool you use in Search Console, you can't force Google to index a particular URL. Because Google's going to do that automatically when the website adheres to all of Google guidelines. Now, to fix crawl currently not indexed issue means that you need to understand the guidelines and make sure your website adheres to it. Which guidelines? All of Google guidelines. And there is no other way to fix this issue. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I've got more content on rankia.com website if you want to know how to get better results in Google.